Hey guys, Dan again. This is the Ultimate Flashlight Code by Everett demo. This one is the 5 user configurable options. Let's go ahead and turn the light on. So even though I already showed it in the first video, just to do everything in order, I'm going to go ahead and show how to set the primary level again. I'm going to set it back where I like it, which is at maximum. So ramp or shortcut to max, and then quad click to enter config. So like I said, each configuration option has its own series of flashes. This is indicating we're on number 1. So I'm going to hold to enable. The light is getting very hot. Let me turn it down. It is an Pt2. So let me go back into the well, first actually let me set it to a different level. Let me set it to strobe. 1, 2, 3. The second user configuration is tactical mode. That will lock the light into whatever mode you enter it from, whatever brightness level or whatever strobe position and strobe speed. So from here, which is where I want tactical mode to be, let's go back to config. So here we're at first config step. Second config step, which is this bright dim flash pattern, that's tactical mode. So we'll hold to enable. The light is now locked into momentary only use in strobe. It will not latch on, it will not do anything else. And that includes the shortcut to momentary maximum. If the button is held down, it is on that level. If it's released, it's off that level. To exit out of this, power cycle the light. So there you saw when I brought the light back on with the clicky button, it came on at maximum because that's what my primary level is set at. Third config option is enable auto dim, which is turbo, basically turbo step down. 1, 2, 3, 4. A single press, if you didn't catch it, is what cycles through the different options. So we start out on primary. Second is tactical. Third is enable or disable auto dim. Right now I have it turned off, so you see the light is going from dim to low. That means if you enable it, if it's going dim to low and you hold the button, you'll be enabling it. So let's do that. Okay. Let's go back now to that same third configuration setting. 1, 2, 3. You'll now see it goes low to high. I don't know if the camera's letting you catch that or not, but that's what it's doing. This is signifying that if you turn it off, if you would hold the button now, you would be disabling it and the light would not get dimmer. That's why it goes low to high. So I don't like turbo timer, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it back off. Each time you enable or disable a setting, it exits configuration after that. So let's go back in. 1, 2, 3, 4. First, primary. Second, tactical. Third, auto dim. Fourth, beacon, which is mostly dim with a not full power brighter pulse. Beacon can be configured in code to either be the primary emitter or a secondary LED if you wanted to put one under a clear switch boot or somewhere else. I don't like that option. Plus, I usually lock my light out, so there wouldn't be a beacon anyway, so I just leave that one off. It's the same flash pattern whether it's on or off. The fifth and final I can't talk today. This is so much to get through. Configuration option is momentary maximum. If you enable this, there is no 2 different momentary options. So let's go ahead and enable that. There we go. Now that that's on, there is no option to single hold for momentary in your last use level. All momentary use is forced to maximum. Pretty simple. I also don't like that option, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that back off. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And turn that off. and turn it down some. Now you see that we've restored normal momentary operation. Like I said, I cannot talk. This is so much to get through. So that's it. Thanks for watching how it operates. I hope some more of you can start using this code. I know that was always Everett's goal, was to make a flashlight firmware that could do everything for every type of light. I've installed this in all sorts of lights, from piston drive, night core D10, to huge mega output lights like this. Also my Y3 thrower, which is a XP G2. So it's really suited in every type of light, from your small little pocket EDC to your huge output, multi-emitter, flutter, or thrower.